Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 4 of 20 week 1, The Foundations. I'm Louis.
And I'm Claire. The news is obsessed with counting, votes, degrees, euros, crowds. Today we unlock the big numbers, and I finally get to show you what French did to the number 80. Strap in.
Today's sentence, real news speed.
Plus de 10 000 personnes sont à la manifestation dans la capitale. Here it is, one more time, slowly. Plus de 10 000 personnes sont à la manifestation dans la capitale.
First, the honest building blocks. Claire, 100.
Sont,
Your turn, repeat after her.
sont. 1,000, mille,
Out loud.
mille. And they stack just like English. 10,000, 10,000,
Now it's your turn.
10,000.
100, 1,000, 10,000. Sensible, tidy, reassuring. Which brings us to the thing. Claire, what happens to French counting after 69?
French counts beautifully up to 69, then it stops inventing words and starts doing arithmetic out loud. There is no word for 70. We say 60-10. Listen. 70, 75, 60-15. And 80 Louis. 80 is my favorite. There is no word for 80 either. We say 4 20s. 80.
4 20s. 4 times 20. The French looked at 80 and decided to show their working. Say the famous one. Repeat after Claire.
80. And 90 is, of course, 4 20s 10, 99, the full masterpiece, 4 20s 10, 9, 90, 99.
It's not madness, it's arithmetic. And once you're in on the joke, it's the most charming thing in the language. Don't produce these today. Just hear the pieces and add them up. The whole system, 60 to 100, is on today's sheet. Now, who are we counting? People. And French has 2 words for it, right, Claire?
Both everywhere in the news. The counting word, the one that follows numbers. Les personnes.
Your turn. Repeat after Claire.
Les personnes. And the everyday word, what your French friends say. Les gens. Les gens.
And the phrase in front of every big number in every news story ever, more than. Repeat the whole crowd after Claire.
Plus de 10 000 personnes. Plus de 10 000 personnes.
Where is everyone? At the demonstration. This word is a gift. You'll hear the English inside it, stretched over 5 elegant syllables.
La manifestation.
Your turn, lean on the last syllable.
La manifestation. A cultural secret. The demonstration is practically a national institution in France, so the word has a nickname. What everyone actually says? La manif.
A national pastime with a pet name. And at the demonstration.
À la manifestation.
Repeat after Claire.
À la manifestation. And Louis, they already know where all this is happening. Dans la capitale.
The capital, straight from episode 2. And that's the point. Words from earlier episodes keep coming back, because that's how the news works. The same core words every day. It's why this series can keep its promise. Here's the sentence again. Claire, slowly.
Plus de 10 000 personnes sont à la manifestation dans la capitale.
More than 10,000 people are at the demonstration in the capital. Real speed.
Plus de 10 000 personnes sont à la manifestation dans la capitale. Now your turn, the full sentence, out loud. Repeat after me. Plus de 10 000 personnes sont à la manifestation dans la capitale. Très bien.
Day 4, the number blocks, the 4 20s, the 2 words for people, and the demonstration. The lesson sheet at linguawire.com/day1 lays out the whole number system, 60 to 100, like the arithmetic it secretly is, plus all of today's crowd words.
And the 10-minute homework is right there with it. Today's is a number workout, and it's honestly the fun kind. 10 minutes there locks in what these 5 minutes started. Demain, les médecins et les professeurs sont en grève.
The doctors and the teachers are on strike. Very French, plus a plural mystery your ears have already started to notice. See you then.
À demain.